Welcome to Gardening Gala.
Friends, today, we're preparing jade plant decors in hanging bottles.
By using cola empty bottles, we can turn them into amazing jade plant hangers for terrace. Just like this. Let's begin making similar hanging pots. Take cola bottle. To make multiple holes in bottle, take a hot rod like this. Now make holes from top to bottom. It may look like this. Now take a healthy jade plant like this. It has lots of overgrown stems which needs pruning. ETs get bunch of healthy jade cuttings. Jade is known as money and luck welcoming plants in different cultures. It is very easy to grow, low maintenance, hardy and bushy plant. In few months you can make your own jade jungle, if you properly propagate it. In separate video we will learn how to make jade bonsai. Please subscribe Gardening Gala and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new video updates. Once we complete pruning and collecting jade cuttings, we start next step. Here we have lots of jade cuttings which are sufficient to make bottle hanger as well as more jade planta. Bottle is filled with soil using funnel. Jade grow easily in any soil if proper sunlight and watering is done and well drainage available. Ideally take river soil mixed with coca peat, compost and garden soil. Now start plugging cuttings into hole made in bottle and pushing each cutting about 1 inch inside bottle. Jade hangers will make your terrace green, adorable and oxygenated. They require low maintenance. If cared properly, they grow bushy very fast. This step is long and most important for success of hanging pots. Therefore, plug each cutting carefully without breaking or loosening it in bottle. How many plants you have? Must tell in the comments box. Here we have plugged all the holes with jade cuttings. Double check for any loose cutting, to fix it again. Now first water I gave to this hanger pot is aloe vera leaves water. Aloe vera's natural roots booster and produce nutrients in soil. You can check and watch our full videos about aloe vera leaves fertilizers and gel extraction videos too. Water is always poured from top hole in this hanger pot. Initially water every week or when it feels dry. Do not overwater. So this is ready to hang bottle planter. You can use any shape or sized bottles, of your choice, to make hanging planters. Here you can see full jungle of jade hangers in Terrace. How do you think of this hanger idea? Please share your thoughts and support our channel.